Right, let's just start with some easies, and then later we'll kind of go up to medium and hard. Reverse bits. Okay, let's see. This is going to be something about like a binary. Okay. Let's just see. Okay, this makes sense. So you got to convert it to a binary, reverse the bits, and then convert it back. I mean, there's just Python already has like a, or not Python, I'm using Python, but any language probably already has binary converter. You just convert it, reverse it, and then yeah, this one's just too easy. Let's valid phone number. Fuck, this is a goddamn bash thing. I don't know, bash scripting. Let's see this. So what's an anagram? It's just the reverse. Oh, okay. Not the reverse, but they contain the same letters. All right. And so I guess you could do this with like a nested loop, but let's try to do this with a more efficient algorithm. All right, I'm just thinking about a efficient way of doing this. We could sort them and compare them with a. Alright. Why not just do this? Yeah. So would this pass at a like a job interview, or are they gonna want you to yeah, so this is what they. What's a follow-up question? Alright, let's just try another problem. Contains duplicate. This looks interesting. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return true if there are two distinct indices I and j in the array such that nums I equals nums j, and absolute value of I minus j is smaller or equal to k. Distinct. All right, so I doesn't equal to j, and I minus j is smaller or equal to k. Okay. Gotcha. Let's see. Okay, so there should be, I guess, like a sliding window of k, right? And then we would check the values there. Like that could be one of the solutions. No, wait. You have to find, these have to be equal. So you have to find all the equal. Gotcha. All right, so we could do the brute force way with nested loops. Let's just go ahead and start with that, and then later we'll see if we can make it more optimized. Yeah, this should work. Unless it says that this is too long, or doesn't, like the memory doesn't, whatever. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so you gotta have a efficient algorithm. Go over the array just once. All right. just thinking about how to make this efficient and just, yeah, quietly thinking. Okay, so here's another thing I'm thinking. You could go over this nums once and then keep all the duplicates in a dictionary, and then go over the dictionary and find a value that so basically just go over the nums and then put all the duplicates in a dictionary. You put like the value of the thing as a key, and then the index as a list of indexes where it happens, where the certain value is present in the nums. And then once you have the dictionary, you go over the dictionary and try to find two values inside of those lists where the difference is smaller than k. All right. Let's try to make it happen. So the dictionary, creating the dictionary, and then for and in nums. If this doesn't exist in the dictionary of this number, let me make sure I got the syntax correct. Why is it taking so long? Okay. So this is how you should do it. Equals I, and then, yeah. So first, let's just see what this... Let's just work with this for a second. See what this gives. nums 1. So 1 is 0 and 3, 2 is 1. Yeah, so this works correctly so far. And then once we have the dictionary, we have to go over the dictionary and then for key value in dictionary. For v in oh my god, for index value in enumerate value let's do this. For I in range value, if value I plus 1 minus value I alright, so this should work, hopefully. Fuck. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. This should work now. Alright. Yeah, so this is correct. If length is bigger than 1, Oh my fucking god, this should be. Wait a second. K is 3, right? So this should. No. Why is this not working? If. Says if value I minus value I minus 1. Less or equal to k, then return true. It gets to this point, print it, right? Goes here. What? Wait a second. So it comes here, but never. Gets here, but never gets to this point. What's wrong with you? Why? Alright. This is weird. I don't get it. Why? This is 3. Okay. Yeah, this is false now. This is 3. Why is it? Oh my god. Fuck. Holy shit. Alright. Okay, this makes sense. This makes sense now. Let's see if this works. No. Let's see what's going on. Alright, so it's false. Oh, it should be. Oh my god. Did I do it equals? Come on, dog. Okay. What? Why is this so slow? It works, but it's slow compared to others. Is there a way we could optimize it? Okay, that's for next time. Let's just wrap this one up.